How to download Scarlet on iOS device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Scarlet on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. Now any web browser is fine. I will be using Safari. So open up a web browser that you find most easy to use and simply search for usescarlet.com. After you search for usescarlet.com, this is the interface that you'll see. Tap on install, that is on the bottom of the page. After you tap on install, tap on direct install and just wait while this installs. Now, while this installs, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, as you can see now, it will ask you to open this page in iTunes. Tap on open and tap on install. Now this should start installing, and after the app installs, you can find it in your home page. And after that's done, you need to head over to the settings. Now after you're on your settings, head over to general, and after you're on general, scroll down till you find VPN and device management. Now here you will find your Scarlet's distribution, that is, you will need to trust the iPhone distribution of the Scarlet, and after you tap on that and tap on trust, you should be able to just close your settings, and after that you will be able to use Scarlet on your iOS. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.